The F8E1 error code on your Maytag washer indicates a no-fill or low-flow issue with the water inlet. This means your washer isn't getting enough water during the fill cycle. This is often due to a blockage, low water pressure, or a faulty inlet valve. Identifying the cause early can save time and money on repairs. Before diving into complex solutions, try these quick fixes. First, reset the washer by unplugging it for 5 minutes. Then, check that both hot and cold water faucets are fully open. Inspect the water inlet hoses for any kinks or bends restricting water flow. These simple checks resolve many F8E1 errors. Clogged inlet screens are a common cause of the F8E1 error code. These mesh filters can become blocked with debris or mineral buildup, restricting water flow to the washer. First, turn off the water supply valves connected to your washer to prevent any water flow during the cleaning process. Next, carefully disconnect the water inlet hoses from the back of your washer. You'll need to twist them counterclockwise to remove them. Inside each hose connection on the washer, you'll find small mesh screens that act as filters. These are the components that can become clogged. Carefully remove the mesh screens from the connections. Clean them thoroughly under running water, using a soft brush to remove any debris or mineral buildup. Be gentle to avoid damaging the screens. Once cleaned, reinstall the mesh screens into the hose connections. Reconnect the hoses to the back of the washer, ensuring they're securely tightened. Turn the water supply back on and run a test cycle to verify the F8E1 error is resolved. Insufficient water pressure can also trigger the F8E1 error. A minimum of 20 psi is generally required for proper operation, ensuring the washer receives adequate flow of 10 to 15 gallons per minute. You can purchase a water pressure gauge at most hardware stores. Attach it to the faucet where the inlet hose connects to test the pressure. Check the gauge reading. It should be at least 20 psi. If the pressure is too low, contact your water company or a plumber to investigate the issue. The water inlet valve controls the flow of hot and cold water into the washer. It's a solenoid-operated valve that opens to allow water during fill cycles. If faulty, it may not open properly, preventing adequate water flow. Before inspecting, ensure safety by disconnecting power to the washer. The inlet valve is typically located at the back of the machine, where the hot and cold water hoses connect. To test the valve, use a multimeter set to continuity mode. Touch the probes to the solenoid terminals on the valve. If the multimeter beeps or shows low resistance, the solenoid is working. No continuity indicates a faulty valve that needs replacement. If there's no continuity, the solenoid is faulty and the valve should be replaced. This test helps confirm if the inlet valve is the cause of the F8E1 error. If the water inlet valve is faulty, replacement is often necessary. Disconnect power and water supply. Carefully remove the old valve, noting the wire connections. Install the new valve, ensuring the wires are correctly connected. Reattach the water hoses and power, then test the washer. Replacement valves are readily available from appliance parts retailers. Newer Maytag washers have integrated smart features that enhance troubleshooting. These include app connectivity and advanced diagnostics to help resolve issues like the F8E1 error. Connect your washer to the Whirlpool app for personalized assistance. The app provides specific troubleshooting prompts tailored to the F8E1 error, making it easier to identify the problem. Use the app's error logs to review recent activity and access guided diagnostics. These features walk you through checks to determine if the issue is with water flow, sensors, or other components. Firmware updates available in the app can resolve false positives by recalibrating sensors. These updates ensure accurate detection of water flow and prevent unnecessary error codes. For comprehensive guidance, consult your washer's user manual. It contains step-by-step instructions for using smart features and connecting to the app. To prevent future F8E1 errors, clean the inlet screens annually and consider using filtered water to minimize mineral buildup, especially if you live in a hard water region. Future trends in washer technology include predictive maintenance via IoT sensors and augmented reality repair apps for DIY fixes. Staying proactive with maintenance and embracing new technologies will help keep your washer running smoothly.